Hop up, buddy. Mason, can you say uh-oh? Good boy. What are you doing? What are you doing, my lap daughter? Is that your nose? Eyes. Eyes. What's wrong? Hi. What are you doing, handsome? Nah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Mason. You trying to tell me I need a pedicure, Mason? I know. See you later, alligator. Goofy girl. You doing my toenails for me? That tickles. That tickles. Hey, Mason. Blech. 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 Blech.